Hello, what's up everybody? Finally getting around to it. Finally showed up in the mail. The Reaper set. I'm not fortunate enough to get the early access. Of course, I don't expect to anyway. But my McNally Reaper set finally showed up. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, nice. Nice. I thought it was... Nope. Nada. That's it. All right. Let's see how pretty they are. Yep. Magnet gonna stick to my locks again. And there they are. Ta-da! I can't get a good lighting. Oh, highly polished. Very highly polished, just like the Riz pick. Much more than normal. Much more than normal. Very nice. And our turning tools, our itty bitty little guys. .32, 40, and 50. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's the holes drilled in it. Dots 1, 2, and 3. Whoops. And our Z-bars. Flat wrenches. One dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Much better laser etching on them too. You can actually see the laser etching really well. More so than they used to. So they definitely got much better machines. Of course, they got to do those photo etchings that they've got nowadays. Anyway, just a small unboxing. Finally got it. My Reaper set. We'll see how she does. Got to play with it. All right, everybody. That's it. Sorry. I know, not much. If you watch, thanks. I love you all. I appreciate it. Share, like, love, comment. You know the drill. I appreciate you all. Have a great night.